Why does your scanner show the P114D engine code? What does it mean? P114D is a diagnostic trouble code for post-catalyst fuel trim via oxygen sensor system to lean bank 2. This engine code indicates that the PCM has detected a lean air fuel mixture in the exhaust system after the catalytic converter on the engine's bank 2. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty oxygen sensor, intake manifold leaks, fuel injector issues, mass airflow sensor issues. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in BMW models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.